Ready, guys, real quick, here's the deal, guys. I'm doing valve cover gasket on this Chrysler 200, 180,000 miles. Yes, you approved the valve cover, and I got spark plug tube seals I'm doing. I already did this side. Guys, when I have the valve cover off of any Pentastar, I'm always checking those oil galley plugs, and I'm also checking rock arms. Okay, now she's not in for ticking. She's not complaining about ticking. However, I proceed on my own to inspect the rock arms. All right, I did not find any on here, but I do feel one right here. That's going to give them a problem. Now, guys, it's going to be hard for this custom to fathom. We just did all this work on our car. She might be one of those, why y'all didn't tell me? 5,000 miles later now. Yeah, so to avoid that, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to essentially, this is an intake cam, right? I'm going to essentially lift this cam up. I have a whole bunch of rock arms, brand new. I'm just going to put a new rock arm on here. I'm going to keep this on the low. I'm not even going to mention it to her. I hate for this to happen to customer, guys, when we get through doing a lot of work on something and then something like that happen. No. To avoid that, I'm just going to stick a brand new rock arm under that. Stay tuned.